Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here we will discuss the Netflix error code x1-x935e6. The error reads, "Whoops, something went wrong." This error code mainly appears for the Netflix PC app, so if you're seeing this error, it's a good idea to first check the Netflix website and mobile app. If these platforms are working fine, then the problem lies within the Netflix PC app. Now, let's get into the solutions. Here are some steps you can take to fix any temporary issues with your Netflix app. Step 1. Quit the Netflix app and wait for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then, restart the app and check if the error still appears. Step 2. Restart your device. Once your device is up and running again, relaunch the Netflix app and see if the error persists. Step 3. Check if there are any pending updates for the Netflix app. If there are, this could be the cause of the error. Install the pending updates and check if the error still appears. Step 4. If the error still persists, uninstall the Netflix app from your device. Following this, restart your device. Once your device restarts, head over to the App Store and reinstall the Netflix app. Then check if the error still appears. And finally, if none of the above solutions work, it might be a good idea to check the Netflix server status page to see if Netflix is down or experiencing any problems. You can also contact the Netflix support team to report the problem. In the meantime, you can continue using the Netflix mobile app and website. To summarize, the solutions to the Netflix error code x1-x935e6 include restarting the app, restarting your device, updating the app, reinstalling the app, or checking the server status. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.